Welcome to the channel. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today we're going to look at an airdrop that we qualified for. If you guys have been following along with everything that we're doing, this is dealing with Bostrom or Boot. I did a video on them during this pump, and I did buy a little bit more down here. I hope you guys did too. I think this project is super undervalued. The AI narrative is just kind of popping in cryptocurrency. So a lot of tokens right now are up big time, so probably not the best time to buy those. But this has a $31 million market cap right now. Even fully diluted, it's 64. So it's still super early for this. And so I did this video right here 2 months ago for the top AI coin on Cosmos, and we talked about Boot. So I've currently been staking it, and it pays out crazy amounts because the token's so low. So I've earned 178 million, which in dollar amount probably isn't a lot, but if this token does what I think it's going to do, that's still, you know, you're getting a lot of tokens, which obviously there's a ton of them. I don't even know what that is. Trillion, whatever's over a trillion, quadrillion, I guess. I don't know. So to see if you qualified, you're going to go to sib.ai/gift. I'll put that link down below. I don't know if it'll make you do something different. Yeah, so if you haven't done this before, you're going to have to set up like a citizenship, they call it. So I'm going to hit start. Choose your nickname. It can't be taken. I think they want you to upload an avatar. Use my girl. Okay, upload that. Activate address. Okay, and then you can watch this video, and I would, so you guys understand how amazing this is. We're going to sign a code, approve that. Register passport, approve that. All right, congratulations, Terra Old School. Okay, let's check our gift. Approve our address. Kepler, connect. Click on Cosmos Hub. Sign Moon code in Kepler. Approve. Send signature of Moon code. Approve. Pending. Come on, baby. Alright, I think I just did my Cosmos one though. So let's prove in Kepler my Terra. Oh, man. Oh, yes! Got it! Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait, that's only 1 billion. Or 1 trillion? Okay, 1 trillion. Alright, I'll take it. I thought I would have gotten way more for that. Alright, let's claim it. I did everything on Terra, man. Luckily, I pulled out before most of it went to crap. So once you have gotten your citizenship, watch this video to see how they picked who gets the cyber gift.
Cyber gift. The purpose. The purpose of the gift is to inspire at least 100,000 power users of Web3 to join the force of teaching superintelligence. To achieve this, we're going to gift 70% of the Bostrom Genesis tokens Boot to agents of Ethereum, Cosmos, Osmosis, and Terra, who are capable of contributing their best to the quality of the knowledge graph. How we developed it. 1 year of research, 6 months of development, 4 million addresses were selected. How were users selected? First, we started by highlighting key audiences for establishing network effects and tackling basic chicken and eggs. We need developers, content creators, investors, validators, and Web3 power users. Secondly, the participants were divided into groups to highlight and reward leaders. Finally, we removed toxic fiat brains from the collective thought process. Be the first. We have added an incentive to hurry up by reducing the multiplier from 13 to 7 as the tokens are distributed. With this, the first ones will receive up to 2 times more, and only 10% of the selected addresses will have time to claim the gift. How to claim your gift. Go to scipe.ai/portal. Install Kepler Chrome extension. Sign Moon Code. Create and register passport. Prove your addresses by signing a message. Claim your gift. Promote gift to reach 100,000 addresses. Let's start teaching superintelligence.
So even if you guys don't qualify for the airdrop, Boot might be the smartest buy right now. So if you guys know what Tau is or Bit Sensor, it's in the top 20. The only competition is Boot, sits at only 8 million market cap. Cyber devs testing Cybernet and Tau inspired code now. Bostrom now becomes the most faded L1 in crypto history. So look at this comparing them. Yeah. So I'm not going to pretend like I know what this means, but there's a lot more green here. Real on-chain AI. That's what I was talking about, is they're going to have real on-chain AI. So guys, I just think this is super, super undervalued. And again, we just had that one pump, and even now we're not even halfway really up to where we were. But I mean, this is nothing. So I think super early. It is hard to find their Twitter, but it's at CyberDevs. All right, so I did not qualify for my Cosmos or Atom or Terra, and I've done tons of stuff on these, so I don't know. You can do it on ETH, so I've used a couple of the addresses that I've done a lot of stuff on DeFi. So my base gift was 1.2 billion. I got a bonus, so my claimable gift will be 15.3 billion. So I got that for an average citizen, master of the great web, passionate investor. So if you have any ETH addresses that you've done a lot of stuff in DeFi, I would check with those. Okay, so we'll go to prove address. Okay, so here's how you do this. You can do it in MetaMask if you want, but Rabby works too. So I tried my top 2 ones. Trying to think other ones I've used in the past. I think I've used this one a fair amount. So you're going to click on MetaMask, click connect, and then click sign Moon Code, and Rabby automatically pops up. Signature. Okay, so let's try another address. Oh, here's my old school ETH. Okay, MetaMask, connect, sign Moon Code. And then send signature, that'll be in your Kepler. Awesome. So that one, I only got 5.7 billion. So you can see I didn't get Master of the Great Web for this one, and I think there was one other one. So we'll claim. So yeah, I mean, these addresses, I just was kind of doing DeFi on Uniswap and some other things. So I think it has very little to do with staking Atom or Cosmos. The first time I saw this, that's kind of what the guy said on Twitter, but that's definitely not the case. So I'm going to go through and try all of my Ethereum addresses to see if I got more. But actually I wonder if the crypto calculator has that, so we can see how much it is. All right, and that was, what was it, 30? All right, this is why I love airdrops. So 35 billion boot is almost $2,000. And again, guys, I mean, you know this token's gonna go past this all-time high. I mean, we're at like 7 zeros right now. So yeah, it's $2,000 right now. But imagine when this market cap just hits 100 million. I mean, that's not anything crazy at all. 100 million's nothing in market cap. That's 6 grand. So basically, anytime this doubles, that 2,000, amount is going to double as well. So definitely, if you guys have any old school ETH, addresses, definitely come here and see if you qualified for it. And then when we get to 100,000 or some more addresses, you can come back and claim it. Okay, last thing, I'm going to go ahead and buy some more Bostrom because after knowing what I found out today, I'm very bullish on them. So I sent in some Atom from crypto.com to my Kepler video, and I have step-by-step on how to do all this. If you're new to DeFi, you're just going to go to deposit and copy this Cosmos hub, buy Atom, send it there. Then you're going to come to app.osmosis.zone, and we're going to deposit our Atom. Do 12. All right, transaction success. Now we're going to come to swap, and it'll take a minute for this to pop up. So we're going to look for boot, and that's been completed. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. Okay, now we have our Atom there, so we're going to buy 12 Atom, about $127, which is 2 billion, I think. Yeah, 2.2 billion. All right, transaction successful. Now we want to stake them. We have to go to assets because right now this boot is on Osmosis zone, so we have to withdraw it to our Kepler wallet. And we'll change this to 1 just so we leave a little boot there. Okay, so now we went from the Osmosis zone to our Kepler just click on Manage Portfolio and Kepler Dashboard, and that will take you to where you need to stake your. There we go. So you can see we still have 1,000 on Osmosis, and it looks like this hasn't updated yet. By the time we get over here, I'm sure it will. So we'll refresh this. It's still showing our available balance is super low. There we go. All right, now we can go to stake. Ooh, there's somebody doing 4%. %. Shoot, let's do it. Stake. And I want to leave a little left, so we'll click on the max and change this to 5 or 4. Let's do 4. Okay, so we'll stake that. Hit approve. All right, sweet. So now we got 11.6 billion staked. It's about 659 right now. And then we're getting a 20% APR on it. All right, guys. Video's been long enough, but excited to get the almost $2,000 of airdrop to go along with what I'm getting right now in Bostrom. So, guys, AI is going to be hot. And I know, like, this, I think a lot of people are freaked out by the website, but these guys are like super, super smart. If you guys that watch Stake Cito, which is kind of he's like the main man when it comes to the Cosmos ecosystem, he talks about them all the time, about how he's met them and what they're doing has never been done. It's just like they're operating on a whole new level. Like, these guys aren't good marketers, right? They're super nerds that are into actually building something that's huge. Right now, they're not worried about marketing. They've been building in the entire bear market for like years. So this isn't just some, like, I know when you look at it, it looks like some random meme coin, but I'm telling you guys, with this thing at just 31 million market cap, and you're going to get staking, and now they're giving airdrops, not financial advice. You guys got to do what you want, but I see tremendous upside here with what Bostrom's doing. All right, guys, lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.